Hello, hello, happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, friends, we're gonna start here behind me. I've got a really busy day, and so I've got to jam and get this video filmed for you. Real quickly, I wanna thank you guys so much for your prayers for my daughter. You know, I am a firm believer in the power of prayer, and your prayers helped tremendously calm her heart. So thank you guys so much. We're seeing the cardiologist this week, but so far so good. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. So I want to share something with you. I'm going to take you down and we'll get into it. So right here, we're next to the kitchen, and we have this big space right here. And do you guys remember these little shelves? I had these at my big house with a dual staircase in the kitchen. It was one of my favorite places to decorate. And I thought, what could I do here? So I hung these. This lamp is not going there, although it could, but I have it plugged in, and I'm going to bring in this piece right here. I found this piece at Homegods and I just love it. Let's move it into place. I'm going to start up here by adding a lantern. Summer is in full force over here, and I'm not quite ready to decorate for fall. So we are bringing in lemons. And I love this piece. I found it on, I believe it was Amazon. So I'm gonna put that up on the top shelf. Then I'm going in with this lantern. And then I love topiaries all through the year. And this came in a set. So I'm just gonna put one up top. Okay, next I have this really cute basket tray set from Mud Pie. Got it on Amazon. And I'm going to use this as a backdrop. That's not staying there. Okay, so now I have this plate and a lemon plate. I'm going to layer these by simply adding them to the basket, just leaning them. Change of plans. I have this taller little lemon tree I got on Amazon. I'm gonna switch it with the topiary and put the topiary over here. Then I'm gonna go diagonal. Okay, so because I have the lantern right there, I'm gonna come diagonal with a smaller one. So I love it. I think it is super, super cute. So here's the top and here's the bottom. And I'm gonna move this over just a little. Okay, now I have yet another Mud Pie board. Super cute. Love the little feet on it. I love adding wood tones because it just adds a little bit of warmth. So I'm gonna place it right here. a mud pie set, and this is the smaller cloche. And I just put a little plant down and then put this over the top. And then right here, I have a little footed riser, an artichoke, and then this is that faux moss you can get on Amazon. Love it. It just looks real authentic looking to me. And I just plopped it in here, kind of messy. And then I have this little plant I just plopped into a planter. Boom. And so anyway, I think that turned out pretty darn cute. I'm gonna get something else to go there. I felt like it needed a little something there. But what I probably will do is get a cute little bowl, maybe some faux artichokes or a few lemon stems. I'll have to go dig around, but you get the gist. So right behind me, I got this new piece from Amazon. I got it during the Amazon Prime Day deals, and I got it because in my shorts feed, I kept seeing girl after girl after girl after girl style this table. And when I went and looked it up, it was on sale for I think $100. So I grabbed it. So anyway, I thought I would show you. It's kind of different. It's not my typical style, but I like it. I really do. And you know, I just put all this stuff on top of there while I was figuring out what I wanted to do. And it even looked cute with those items on it. So I'm excited to style this. I'm thinking I might put that in the basement or upstairs. I'm not sure. So remember I shared these rugs? This was the perfect place to put them in. And actually I got a longer rug. I'm going to insert some photos here of Sunday when we decided to clean all of our rugs. This was newly cleaned, so I just rolled it out, but I do have the new one that's even longer. It goes like all the way down there. So I might change that out, but I love these. I hung these pictures on the wall. Love those. And I'm not sure what I want to do right here or here. So this rug was going to go in the dining room, and then this rug right here was supposed to go in that dining room. And once we got them laid out, everyone loved the rugs right here. They're like, don't change it, leave it. It just really warms it up. And so I decided to put it under the furniture, and I love it. And then over here, it's kind of like, you know, nice texture and style, you know, before you come into here. So now we're in the kitchen, and I want to share with you something I got during the Amazon Prime Day deals that I am obsessed with. It looks so good. Okay, so I got this little Lazy Susan. Love. I'm going to set it right here. I found these super cool bottles. I only have 2 filled up at the moment. They come with a whole bunch of stickers that are waterproof, and you get the toppers as well. And so this is pure olive oil, and then you go to the side, pure olive oil. So this is how I'm going to display them. This one's avocado oil. And then on the side, easy to read, avocado oil. It's extra virgin olive oil. I need to get it filled. So I have another one. It's all washed and ready to go. And then it comes with this whole envelope of stickers. So you could use these for your coffee syrups if you're into that kind of thing. Anyway, you get tons of different stickers for just about anything you can think of. And then that will allow you to stick them on the bottle and know exactly what's in them. So anyway, it's a really cute way to display your cooking oils and have it look sort of high-end-ish. You know what I mean. Here I have this little mirror from Walmart. It is super, super inexpensive, very lightweight. And I was trying to figure out what to do here. And, you know, at the moment, I just couldn't think of anything. So I sat this in here and the whole family loves it. They love that it's got a pop of black. It also reflects the pond out there. I don't know if you can see. But anyway, it's nice. And, you know, if we do cook and a little oil splashes, I just wipe it right down. It comes right off. Huge fan of that mirror. One more thing I want to show you is something I did in the family room that I think is sort of pretty. Okay, so right here, I don't have my TV on. I literally just got distracted by the wildlife outside, turkey. Anyway, I got myself some baby's breath and just kind of stuck it in here and there. And it looks kind of pretty and wispy. So I put these on either side of the TV, and then I added the Hobby Lobby hook with the Hobby Lobby lantern with an LED candle, and I made myself a set of lanterns to go on either side. Well, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. I'm sorry it was so short, but my daughter just reminded me that the cardiology appointment is today. So I've got to get this edited, posted, and then get on my way. So I will see you guys back here on Friday for more decorating. Mwah! Bye, guys. So good, so good.